Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your account on OKX. So let's get started right away. First of all, tap on the OKX application to open it up. And then once you open it, you will be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already by using your credentials. Go ahead and log in using your credentials, and now you will be taken into the home page where if you haven't already verified your account, you will be able to find the Verify Now button. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be taken through the verification process that you need to follow in order to verify your account. One by one, you will be asked to enter your personal information, including your full name, your address, your date of birth, and everything else. This might also contain your sensitive information such as your government-issued ID card and many other confidential information. You will also be asked to verify using your phone number to finalize your verification. After the verification process is done, you will have to wait for a few moments or a day or two until your verification result will let you know whether your account has passed the verification or not. If your account doesn't pass the verification, you will need to try this once again from the Verify option. And there you have it. That is how you can verify your account on the OKX app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.